Yo, listen, guys, I just want to tell you, we're like down to the wire of the end of the year. We basically got like, what, 27 days because today's December 4th, 2025. Let's go, baby. Come on now, listen, there has to be something, and I don't want to be like all motivational and whatnot, but there has to be something like out there that keeps you motivated, like more than just stocks. You know what I'm saying? More than just generational wealth or becoming wealthy or whatever. Just it has to be something more. And I feel like the opportunity, at least for me, the opportunity just to keep stacking days is what's great enough for me. Like everything else that I'm chasing within my days, perfect. But the fact that I keep waking up and I get the opportunity to stack the days, let's go, baby. Come on now. Yeah. Listen, I don't want to be motivational, but we gonna get to the point while we here. But before we get there, look, so it's a I had we put a deposit. We put a deposit. As you guys can see, the account is now at $33. That isn't like $33 of like growth of stocks. That's just $33 on total. And then as you guys can see here on this column chart thing right here, it's my total returns for all the stocks that I bought. And this is total return for everything. So, if we count this real quick, it was like 13, 27, 26, 33, 33, 47, 51, 51, 63, 70, 69, 76. So I'm up about like 76 cents, which, hey, I'm not complaining because at the end of the day, my money is protected. If I wanted to sell all these shares and I needed to get this $30 back for whatever God reason, my money is protected. And that's really the thought process of doing all this. Whether it's $30 or whether it's 100, 1,000, you want to be able to know how to protect your money in the market. And then again, this isn't financial advice and stuff like that. I want to show whether this works or not that, hey, if there's a different approach, that we take a different approach when it comes to investing before trading, having multiple accounts before we become traders, and understanding the different paths that one must take, we are we are equipping ourselves a little bit better. We are equipping ourselves a little bit better. So, nonetheless, I want to show you guys a quick, you know, this was 2 days ago. So I posted this video, my update. This is 2 days ago, and look where Bank of America was, up 2 cents. I know it's kind of like blurred to see. I think Coca-Cola is zero. Spies, 7 cents. Lowe's is 11 cents. Dow's 3 cents. Caterpillar is like 8 cents. Nvidia 11. Microsoft 3 cents. Google 14. The Russell up 6, and Shell's -1. But remember, Shell's -1, and then let's look at like Coca-Cola. So look, Coca-Cola -1, but over there Coca-Cola was we're break even, and then Shell's was -1. And look, Shell's is up 5 cents. So this was 2 days ago, and this is my point when it comes to like buying stocks. Like if you have whatever type of money, like I just saw on Instagram the other day that someone just bought like this company. This is not a recommendation, by the way. They just bought this company, right? So they literally just bought this company and they bought a share of it. So I was like, oh my god, why did you just buy just one share? Like you should have just bought, like, let's say it was $235, buy $1 worth of different stocks every single day. Because now you're relying on, like, even if that one share that you bought, let's say you bought it at, hopefully you didn't, I mean, I would imagine, I just saw it. So I think, yeah, actually, it makes sense because it was like at 250 or something that he bought it at. So This guy bought it at 250 and change, and right now it's 234. So it's like, dude, you could have bought a dollar, and you would have even been down. You would have been down less, and still had some money to buy. But again, this isn't financial advice. Point to all that is the market changes, and I feel like if we are attacking at it, like just like I mentioned in the beginning, like just stacking days. If we're stacking days in the market and doing the small legwork, eventually when we get to year 4, 5, 6, and 7, we're not doing these basic things anymore. Like the basic things are just so natural to us, and we're moving on to different stuff. But I feel like as traders, people who trade, who call themselves traders, whatever, we don't, not we, but I want to say maybe there's a group of people out there that don't have our investment portfolio set up during this process. I'm not talking to the people that are like highly successful, like trading, made a lot of money. I'm talking to those that are starting out. Let's say you only have $1,000, $2,000 in your account, and you're taking the trading route versus the investing route. That's who I'm talking to. This is who I'm talking to. You know, so let's look at it again. Right now, I'm down on Microsoft and I'm down on Coca-Cola. I want to get into Microsoft really. I want to get into Microsoft. So let's see what's the average cost. 47. Looks like we're probably made. Hopefully, we'll take a bounce, or if not a bounce, a dip. We take a dip, and then the other one is Coca Cola. Let's see what Coca. Oh, I think we're getting a dividend. Yeah, we're looking at that. And that's another thing too. It's not much. It's not much. It's only a penny, but like, yo, dividend. Hello, like I'm down a penny. So this penny could like literally be helping me break even. I'm about to get this December 15th. So I'm about to get a penny, which is gonna help me break even. And then now I could even get into this even cheaper. So it's like, stop playing with me, B. Look, stop playing with me. I think there's another thing too. I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start buying at 12 because I just realized with the market does this bullshit in the morning, and then what it really wants to do is after. So, um, that's another thing too. When you're like buying shares, you're just buying fractional shares. You get to stay in the game longer, right? You get to stay in the game longer, and you get to see patterns. You get to see things, you know. So, what is it? Coca Cola or Microsoft? We got we basically got $4 in Coca Cola and Microsoft. How much do we got in Microsoft? We got only got $2 in Microsoft. Yeah, we might have to balance it out real quick. Put my dollar in, as you guys can see, we're making our purchase for the day. Boom. Let's see what the average. Oof, there you go. Drop down to 478.85. So you bought like $1 away for breaking even. And then yeah, we got $7. Today is the 4th. Today is Thursday. We got Friday tomorrow. We chilling. We is chilling. Look at that. Look at these returns, baby. Look at these returns. And then let's look at my equity. We got two. So what? Oh yeah. So this would be like $2 of my money. This would be like $4 of my money. $8. Oh yeah, I already said we're up like 70 something cents. So look at my equity. I need to see Dow. We need Dow, Lowe's, and Google. Everything else we've been bought a little bit more of. But Google it's the fact that Google just took off. Look at that, 14. Jesus. Like where I bought it at? Oh my god. And the next day just it's 14%. 14%. Yeah, the margin account definitely let me have 100. Get what? If I had them, it's all good, baby. Be grateful for what you have. Now I'm just talking to y'all Um, Again, if this is your first video if you guys watched, please go watch my other videos. We're growing together. Like, I don't even want to be counting days because counting days is just like stupid. Whatever day I'm on, they we're just starting out. So we're like day 14, 15, something like that. So hey guys, I'm just giving you guys a little bit more of me because there's gonna be a lot more to this. It's a lot more to this. But for now, let's see what we're set up with. I mean, the Russell took it off. We're at 9 cents. Use Google, Microsoft. That yeah, I just bought some Microsoft. So we chill on the Microsoft. We chill on Microsoft, and then what else we working with? Nvidia, Caterpillar. Oh my God, Caterpillar and Coca Cola. Caterpillar, jeez, chill out, Caterpillar. Jeez, chill out, Caterpillar. Golly, I just like, bro, that's so crazy. Caterpillar, chill out, bro. Chill out, fam. Like, chill out, fam. Why is Caterpillar moving like that? Chill out, B. I need y'all to go back that. This is what I'm actually shocked at. It's shells. Shells taking off. But it just cooled off again. It just cooled off. It'd be crazy that every time I buy shells, I always get it at a lower price. But it's like I get it at a lower price, but it goes up. Right? Like let's say like look, let's say again, we're at 74. Okay, so let's say it just drops to like 74 again, but it shoots back up. Every time, like, I don't know how to explain it. My average just gives me a better entry every single time it goes down. So I don't know. That'd be funny if that works out. What else? Yeah, I mean, look, this part is gonna be really basic and boring, y'all. There's not really too much of excitement other than showing up, showing up, watering your plants. These are my plants, making sure my plants are nurtured. I'm farming right now. I'm farming right now. So yeah, like when we're farming, you guys aren't like watching your plants. You're doing other stuff. I feel like a lot of us are here and that less than like if you can't even pattern trade, like if you don't have that 25K, I don't know if they probably changed the rules now, but if you don't have 25K to trade, and it shouldn't even be just 25K, I would say like 35K maybe. If you don't even have that to trade, because that's what you really need. We're talking about stocks here, stocks. If you don't even have that to trade, man, just grow your plants, grow the plants. And even if you do have that to trade, and you don't have your investments, grow the investments. You are not the exception just because you have a little bit more money. So yeah, let's see what Friday brings us. Let's see how the day closes. We just bought some Microsoft. We got some Microsoft. Here's my total equity. So we might try to see how we can reposition. That's crazy. Wait, I'm up 40. No, because I bought that different. I'm up 47 cents. How? I might have to see how do I reposition myself with Lowe's, the Dow, and Google. See how do we reposition ourselves for that. If not, we we just keep the boat floating, man. We just keep going. Just keep on going. All right, y'all. Well, this ends this video. Love y'all. We got more videos to come. And again, if you guys haven't watched the previous videos, watch that. Go ahead and drop any comments, questions, or concerns that you guys have, thought process, and I'll get to you guys later.